This is a new Inkstone that I've bought, and I think that would be fun to share the unboxing. This is around 4 inches in diameter, really small. I like it small because it's easy to store. China products have improved a lot in terms of design and packaging. See, I'm happy that it comes in one piece. And there is a fancy tassel. Let's take a look. It's nice, isn't it? I had a big one before and had an inkstick to try to make my own ink, but I just found it too time consuming. And also the lid was just a wooden lid loosely covering the inkstone. The source of Chinese art supplies used to be very limited. As e-commerce blossoms in China, there are a lot more choices. I've put just a little bit of ink to see how good this inkstone holds the ink. Can you see that the ink is like a big drop of water in the middle and not penetrating the stone at all? I'm not too sure if it's a new feature because mine was very different before. It was just a stone and the ink gets dried. When I was looking for a new one, I found that this is a special feature that some of the suppliers would highlight. The benefits is, of course, you can keep the excess ink after you finished painting for a little longer, maybe a day. I don't know, and I haven't tested how long the ink would last if you keep the ink in the inkstone. But I would still not keep any diluted ink because it turns gray and dull. Back in the ancient times, calligraphers have to make their own ink by grinding the ink stick onto a wet inkstone. Basically, the way it works is that you drip a few drops of water onto the inkstone and then gently grind the ink stick against the stone to get the ink out. So the good thing is that you don't have a lot of waste because you just make more ink as you go, but it is very time consuming to make it consistent. I'm now using the inkstone to hold the bottled ink. That's just me. If you have experience of using traditional ink stick and make your own ink, please share in the comments below. I would like to know more about different types of inkstone and the quality of different ink stick. For this painting, I started off using a large brush, which was made of goat hair, and then switched to a smaller brush, which was made of wolf hair. Goat hair is soft and the wolf hair is stiff. There are a lot of different types of brushes in the market that you can explore, and a lot of them are mixed hair, which is fine. All you need to control is the amount of water contained in the brush belly and the speed of your stroke to get the different shades of ink. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you next time.